guide you to change your bio. So let's go to Instagram, click on your profile, go to edit profile there. And if you tap on bio, and here you can tap anything that you can write anything that you want, likewise your name, your date of birth, or you can your address or your willings, your habits, or everything that can you change it to bio. And if you tap on this blue icon, then that bio will be saved. So this is how you can change your bio. Or otherwise, go to the profiles, top three lines, go to account center. Here you can find profiles. Go to Instagram. Again, go to Instagram. Here you can see since profile info. If you use this since profile info toggled on, then your linked Facebook and Instagram will all get same profile info on your profiles, because whatever the whatever that you have displayed on your Facebook, that everything will be displayed on same your Instagram. So you can also change your bio like this.